Hi, everyone. As part of the podcast, we decided to finally introduce Omar properly so everybody knows what's happening. Because when I was interviewing, even before the first interview, I went onto his LinkedIn and I didn't know what he's doing, what the company is doing. And now I know everything. It didn't take me a lot of time, but back in the days, I was confused. So, to avoid any confusion, I will let Omar introduce himself and explain why there are so many things that he's doing.
But thank you. I also realized this thing that we have multiple brands going on, and it's sometimes very difficult to people to understand. So the very first thing, my name is Umar. I'm the co-founder of Tekboox. We started that as a staff augmentation company 5 years ago. We had few handful of clients. We did very well, and we started growing. Then we have specialized departments in our Tekboox. As a Tekboox, we don't do everything. In a Tekboox, we mostly work on a BPO, business process outsourcing, that IT resources that you're looking for, you can outsource through Tekboox. And then we also do digital marketing through Tekboox. Then we became an MSP implementation partner for Salesforce. So when we went to Salesforce, we said that we brand ourselves with Salesforce as a cloud venture. So onacloudventure.com is a company which only talks about Salesforce implementation. So that is one of our brand as a business unit you can think. And that business unit works only on Salesforce implementation. We also have another brand which is called Tekboox. Tekboox is basically doing a QuickBook services to small businesses and CPAs. So if any CPA need any service or they need outsource resource, they can come to Tekboox and they can get a staff who are a QuickBook Pro advisor, a certified QuickBook advisor, can become a part of that company and start working with them as an extended arm remotely. So that is another brand. And then, as we are already in a medical healthcare, we have two brands. We have our own product that is 360 Health Tech. 360 Health Tech is a remote patient monitoring program, which is a Medicare program in which we have our own IoT devices, blood pressure, glucometer, weighing machines, oximeter, which are IoT, has a SIM in it. Doctor assign it to the patient, and it's a subscription plan, a cloud-based SaaS offering. So that's our 360 Health Tech is our own product-based company. So that's another brand. And then last but not the least, which you are very much involved, is MD Help Tech. MD Help Tech is also in staff augmentation, but for small to mid-sized clinics. To them, we provide prior authorization, referral coordination, front desk phone calls, and any work that can be done back office. MD Help Tech provides those resources to the clinics. So these are our 4-5 brands. Tekboox, again, it's a BPO in IT industry plus social media marketing, website building process. Cloud Venture is a Salesforce. Tekboox for bookkeeping. 360 Health Tech is for the SaaS offering, remote patient monitoring. And then last but not the least is the MD Help Tech, which is a to the clinics, prior authorization and back office work.
So we did it kind of backwards. We started the podcast and then we decided to introduce Omar, but I hope that was great introduction. Thank you and welcome Omar to the podcast series.
Thank you very much.